Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to share a ClickUp client dashboard hub. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to your ClickUp, and after that you could just simply go for the dashboards over here, the top left corner of the screen. And now from here you will have all of your dashboard, and you could just simply go ahead and click on the three dots on the right side over here, and you will have copy link over here, which you could just simply paste the link and send it to someone, or you could just simply click on the sharing and permissions and just simply provide the email of the person that you want to share the workspace with, and just simply provide their email. And you can choose if it's a member, limited member, guest, or admin, or you can go for full edit, or view only, and just simply click on send invite, and an email will be sent to that person. And after that, they should have to accept it. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.